Starting today, I'm adding a new segment to my videos. Whenever there are parts of an ingredient that usually get thrown away, I'll show you a MOTTAINAI recipe using them. In this video, we'll have daikon leaves from the garnish and crusts from the sandwich bread. So don't miss the ending. If you throw it away, it's trash. If you make use of it, it becomes food. Let's appreciate every ingredient we cook with. Alright, let's start the video. Our first dish is teriyaki chicken. The ingredients are simple, mainly chicken, but we'll also prepare everything we need for the side dishes. Eggs, vegetables, potatoes, carrots, lettuce, and daikon. A Japanese original, and today I'll show you what real teriyaki tastes like. First, let's boil the potatoes and carrots, since they take the longest. While they cook, we'll start on the teriyaki chicken. Because teriyaki is simple, cleaning the chicken well makes the texture so much nicer. Now, here's a question. In Japan, McDonald's has a teriyaki burger. Do you have that in your country? And if there's something your McDonald's has that Japan doesn't, tell me in the comments. Once it's cleaned, sear it skin side down for about 2 minutes. Flip it and cook the other side lightly. While that cooks, let's make the authentic teriyaki sauce. And it's surprisingly easy. Mirin, soy sauce, cooking sake, and sugar. Use equal amounts of mirin, soy sauce, and sake. I'm using 40 milliliters each for 2 servings. Warm them in the pan and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. After that, just keep turning the chicken so it doesn't burn, and let the sauce reduce. By the way, do you know what teriyaki means? Teri means shine, which comes from reducing the mirin, and yaki means to grill or sear. Teriyaki chicken is a classic in Japan, but there are many variations and spin-offs. While thinking about what to pair it with for this video, I remembered something. The teriyaki egg sandwich from Japanese convenience stores. And since tourists love Japanese konbini egg sandwiches, I decided to make that too. I thought about making the egg sandwich during my chicken NANBAN video, but decided to save it for today. By the way, chicken NANBAN also makes an amazing sandwich. Now the vegetables are done boiling. Let's peel them and mash them for the potato salad side dish. Next, boil the eggs. Did you know the color of an eggshell doesn't change the taste? White, brown, even blue eggs, what really matters is the chicken's diet and how fresh the egg is. The eggs are done. In Japan, eggs are known for their bright color and rich flavor. That's why simple dishes like egg sandwiches taste so good. When you mash the eggs gently, you keep that soft, creamy texture that makes them unforgettable. I'm adding some into the potato salad today. Not many places do this, but I boiled plenty. Add black peppers, salt, and mayonnaise. Mash and mix until creamy. That's done. Next, let's make the filling for the konbini-style egg sandwich. Again, super simple. Mash the eggs with mayo, salt, and pepper. Mash them roughly to keep some texture. Mix well and it's ready. Today I'm using store-bought milk bread. Is Japanese shokupan really called Japanese milk bread overseas? Cut off the crusts. That means more MOTTAINAI ingredients to use later. In Japan, we believe that meat and fish give their lives so we can eat. That's why we try not to waste anything and finish every ingredient with appreciation. Some people may think eating fish heads or beef tongue is strange, but if our life were taken for someone's meal, we wouldn't want to be thrown away untouched. If someone ate every part with care, it would feel like our life had meaning. This idea is a big part of Japanese food culture. So I always try to cook in a way that brings out the best flavor and respects the life behind the ingredient. That's one of the beautiful things about Japanese cuisine. Spread butter or olive oil. Then add the egg filling. For the teriyaki sandwich, spread a little less so you can still close it. Egg sandwiches in Japanese convenience stores are surprisingly famous. They're soft, fluffy, and packed with creamy eggs. Recreating that same texture at home is easier than you think. Just don't mash the eggs too fine. Slice the teriyaki chicken and coat it lightly in the leftover sauce for extra flavor. Add a leaf of lettuce. Then wrap the sandwich tightly in plastic wrap. Do the same for the egg sandwich. Cut them into triangles. This volume of egg filling really feels like a Japanese convenience store sandwich, right? Now let's plate the teriyaki chicken. Lay down some lettuce. Add the potato salad. Place the chicken on top and spoon extra sauce to give it shine. In Japan, bottled teriyaki sauce isn't very common, but I've heard it's really popular overseas. I'm curious, what dishes do you use teriyaki sauce for? Let me know in the comments. This is optional, but if you want a fresh, lighter taste, grate some daikon and serve it on the side. And it's ready. Enjoy. Teriyaki looks fancy, but it's actually super simple. Just soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. Even with only a few ingredients, the flavor becomes amazing. That's the magic of Japanese cooking. I hope this video helped you understand how easy real teriyaki can be. Okay, let's jump into today's bonus. MOTTAINAI Cooking. I'll turn them into something delicious in this little MOTTAINAI section. This part is filmed with a fixed camera, like a bonus recipe. Sugar butter bread crust snacks. Let's start with the bread crusts. Add a little butter to a pan and toss in the sliced crusts. Toast them until they become golden and crisp. You can also dry them out completely and turn them into breadcrumbs. So there are many ways to use these crusts instead of throwing them away. When they look nicely toasted, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Lower the heat and coat everything evenly. Once the sugar melts and sticks to the bread, they're done. A simple and tasty snack. Sugar butter bread crust bites. Daikon leaf recipes. Next, let's use the daikon leaves. These leaves contain oxalic acid, so eating a large amount raw isn't recommended for people prone to kidney stones. Cooking them reduces the oxalic acid. So today I'll show you both a raw and a cooked version. Raw pickled daikon leaves. Wash the leaves well and chop them into pieces about 3 centimeters long. Sprinkle on a little salt and gently massage them. Place the leaves into a storage bag, and before sealing it, add 1 teaspoon of yuzu pepper for flavor. Massage the bag so the seasoning spreads evenly, then seal it tightly. Let it rest in the fridge for about half a day. And that's it, pickled daikon leaves with a refreshing kick. Stir-fried daikon leaves. Now for the cooked dish. Finely chop the daikon leaves and heat a pan with a little sesame oil. Add the leaves and stir-fry until the green becomes vibrant. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix until it coats everything. Then add some bonito flakes and quickly stir again. And it's done. A simple and savory stir-fried daikon leaves side dish. It's incredibly tasty, so please try this one. From now on, I'll keep making more MOTTAINAI recipes like these. So look forward to them in every video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If this video made you hungry or inspired you to cook, hit the subscribe button and come back anytime.